Hello, future developers. So, welcome to the continuation of our CSS and HTML tutorial. So, today we'll be learning to link pages. Okay, so you link your website or your page to an external page. So, as you see here, when I click on the visitors, it opens this page. Okay, so let's try that in Visual Studio Code. So, I'm just going to clear this. Okay, and this made possible with the help of the anchor tag and then the hyperreference. So with the less than sign, type A and then space and then href, so hyperreference, okay, equals, and then the quotation comments I'm going to put there or insert the link there, okay, and then I'll end it with the greater than sign, and then I'll type visit us, okay, so visit us, and then I'll end it with a closing tag for the anchor tag, okay. So that is saved. When I refresh it, okay, and I click visit us, it should open the page or the link that was inserted in our VS Code. Okay, so it's better to link or open an external page on a different tab. Okay, so to do that, we have these targets called blank. So just after the quotation comma of the link, type target equals, and then inside the quotation commas type underscore blank. Okay, so that's saved now, and then I would have to refresh. So now when I click on the visitors, you can see the page is opened on a new page. Okay, so always open external pages on a new tab. Okay, so that should be it for this. Okay.